Hello students of 8th standard. We have started the lesson that is nothing but human body and organ system. We have studied some part of the you can say this text. Now today we are going to study the remaining part of this lesson. The part that we are going to study today is nothing but a human blood groups. Now, how is the blood formed? Blood is formed due to the proteins like you can say antigens and antibodies. Different blood groups are there. There are four main blood groups. They are nothing but A, B, AB and O. Beside this, there are again two types of the blood groups. They are nothing but Rh negative and Rh positive. So, Rh negative and Rh positive of each of these form the four groups. This in all 8 blood groups are formed. That is nothing but Rh positive and Rh negative. That is the example. Then next comes the blood donation. If a person meets with an accident or suppose he is bleeding very much through his wounds, then he needs a blood transfusion. Or if a person is undergoing a surgical operation, then also he needs a most of the blood. So, in such cases, the person needs the blood. If the person is suffering from anemia, thalassemia or cancer, then also he needs the blood. Blood transfusion is carried out to compensate the blood shortage in the body. This is called as the blood, you can say, transfusion. Next, see there are various blood banks which are restoring the blood or which are providing the blood. From where the blood is supplied for, you can say for the blood transfusion. Blood bank. Blood is collected in, you can say, in or from the blood banks by a specific methods. It is collected by a person or from a person by a, you can say, specific method, and it is supplied to a needful person by a particular method. It is collected not to be immediately, it can be stored for some time into the refrigerator. Then next one is the person who donates the blood is called as a blood donor, and the person who receives the blood is called as a blood recipient. The person of the blood group O can be a donor. The blood to the person having any another blood group, whereas the person with the blood group can receive the blood from the person with any another person group. Hence, a person of blood group O is called as a universal donor, and the person with the blood group AB is called as a universal recipient. Then see next one. Blood groups are hereditary and dependent upon the genes inherited from their parents. That means the blood groups whichever are there of their parents, the same blood groups are there of the infants. Then see, the transfusion is performed only after the blood grouping match. The transfusion is done only when there is a blood grouping matching is done. If it is done without matching, it may prove fatal for the patient. Person who donates the blood may be recipient in the future situation. The person who is donating a blood now may be in the needs of the blood. He may meet with the accident, he may be bleeding, he may have perforation, he may have surgical operation. In that he needs the blood. So, blood donation in healthy person is to save the life of an needful person. So, blood donation is one of the best donation, you can say that. See their next one, blood pressure. Blood is continuously kept flow throughout the blood vessels due to the contraction and relaxation of the heart. Due to the contraction and relaxation of a heart, what happens? There is a pressure exerted on the wall of the arteries, and this is called as the blood pressure. A proper pressure is necessary to supply the blood in all parts of the body. So, what happens? See, if there is a contraction of the heart, then it will be called as a systolic pressure, and one recorded by the relaxation is nothing but the diastolic pressure. Blood pressure of the healthy person is 120/80 or 139/89. Dash is measured with the help of the sphygmomanometer. Blood production occurs continuously in our body. About 350 ml of the blood is collected from a person during donation, and our body restores the fluid part of it within 24 hours. A pregnant and a breastfeeding woman cannot donate the blood. There is no trouble during or after the blood donation. 1st October is observed as a National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. Healthy person of age more than 18 years can donate the blood for 3 to 4 times a year. Then next comes hypertension. Hypertension means high blood pressure. We know that there is a normal blood pressure, and if the blood pressure rises above this normal blood pressure, then it is called as a hypertension. In arteries of a person with an hypertension, unnecessary tension develops. Heart needs to perform more function than the normal condition in case of a hypertension. Both systolic and diastolic pressure are high in the, you can say, high in the hypertension. So next comes, see there what is given here. Normal blood pressure is nothing but 90 to 119 mm, and diastolic is 60 to 79 mm. Primary hypertension, systolic pressure is 120 to 139 mm, diastolic is 80 to 89 minute. Hypertension stage first, that is nothing but 140 to 159 mm. Diastolic pressure is 90 to 99 mm. Hypertension stage second, more than 160 mm, and diastolic pressure more than 100 mm. ABO blood groups were discovered by one of the scientists whose name was Karl Landsteiner in 1900. He won the Nobel Prize for this in 1930 for his discovery. Blood group AB was discovered by D. Castello and Sutrulli in 1902. Next comes the hematology. Hematology, it is nothing but a branch of a medical science. It deals with the study of the, you can say, blood. Hematopoietic organs and blood disease is called as a hematology. Research, diagnosis and remedies of the, you can say, blood disease is also performed in this branch.